practice reading for beginners.
Basic sight words. Had, had, had. Ham, ham, ham. Has, has, has. Hat, hat, hat. Him, him, him. His, his, his. Hip, hip, hip. Hog, hog, hog. Hot, hot, hot. Hut, hut, hut. Hum, hum, hum. Had, ham, has, hat. Him, his, hit. Hog, hot, hot. Hum, jam, jam, jam. Jet, jet, jet. Jog, jog, jog. Jot, jot, jot. Pin, pin, pin. Kit, kit, kit. Lad, lad, lad. Lag, lag, lag. Jam, jet. Jog, jot. Pin, kit. Lad, lag. Leg, leg, leg. Lot, lot, lot. Log, log, log. Lip, lip, lip. Lid, lid, lid. Leg, lot, log. Lip, lid.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.